welcome back to another video where I am doing a toy review of a Halo Nerf gun. And this is Boomco, I think. I don't know what this gun is called because you know, I don't really play Halo.
Oh, hi.
And I'm going to be giving you a few pictures of what the things look like around the gun. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, now for some features to show you how to use the gun. First, get the gun. There's no ammo. In this hole right here, that's where you put in the ammo. And my brother, that's what the ammo looks like. It should come with 6 bullets, but I have 5. And there's an arrow, as you can see. You put it in the hole, exactly like that. And then this is, so you pull this back. So this is how you turn it around. Pull this back until you hear a click, and then you fire. Sorry, because I'm not going to be showing you the fire since this is my house. Done, done, done! And that's all you need to do so that you can use the gun. And here's the trigger for when you are ready. And then this is the noise it makes. Ready to go. Okay. And I'm going to be showing you the bullets now. So these are what the bullets look like. They have an end, which is black. And you have a blue cylinder, which is basically the main part of the bullet. And I don't know how much this hurts, so let's check it out. Ow. Okay, this does hurt. So don't fire it, someone's eye, face, or don't aim it at anyone, only aim it at things. Well, I would play it outside just for notice, if that makes sense, because if you break something, you'll probably get attention. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Sorry if it was a bit short. And the shout out goes to